Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. This is the first look for Diesel's new true wireless earbuds. And they come in two colorways. You're seeing the black and the red. Here's the red one. This is red all the way through. Inside the case, the earbuds, and where you plug it in, it's all red. So that's a complete colorway. You can open this left or right. Shows you full charge right there. This is wireless charging capable and USB-C. Same for the black, and it's all the way black. So you have the black earbud, you have the black ear tip, and then you can also have the nice silver D like on the red one as well. I like that it opens up both ways, that it has wireless charging and USB-C charging. A lot of these have the micro USB, and this is much better with the USB-C. So it's full charge, and then they start the pairing process, and then it's easy to pair with your iPhone or Android devices. The new Diesel earbuds are available now. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.